Hi, I'm Sean with Veritas in Wake Forest. If you're thinking about remodeling your home, especially your kitchen, bathroom, or main living areas, 2026 is bringing some exciting shifts in design. But trends alone aren't enough. What really matters is how these translate into your home that works for your life, fits your budget, and makes you feel proud every time you walk through the door. Let's start with what's new in the world of remodeling. All white kitchen may be fading. Instead, we're seeing bold, rich colors like forest green, navy blue, and terracotta. There's a return to character, texture, detail, and warmth. Think natural wood, custom trim, even mesh cabinet doors. In the kitchen, back kitchens or sculleries are gaining popularity. In fact, we just finished one in a beautiful home in North Raleigh. These are prep spaces hidden behind the main kitchen to keep things clean and guest ready. Oversized islands are still in, perfect for gathering and entertaining, but now paired with artisanal materials like stone and wood that feel grounded and elegant. Bathrooms are going full spa. Floating vanities, walk-in showers, and calming, wellness-inspired details are top of the list. And across the home, flexible spaces are being reimagined for home offices, wellness rooms, and even multi-generational living. Technology is evolving too. AI-powered lighting, climate control, and energy-efficient upgrades like solar are now part of the conversation, especially for homeowners thinking long-term. But here's the thing. These trends only matter if they're designed around your life and your budget. That's why Veritas works differently. We're a design-build firm, which means we handle everything from concept to completion under one roof. Our designers and builders work as one team, which eliminates the common disconnect that happens when plans get handed from one company to another, what we call a budget backwards approach. Instead of starting with a wish list and hoping the costs work out, we start with what you're comfortable investing, then design up to that number. That way, what you fall in love with on paper is actually something we can build. We don't give vague ballpark estimates. We build detailed line-by-line pricing that shows exactly where your money goes. And we use construction management software that gives you full visibility, schedules, updates, and even receipts all in one place. You'll always know what's happening, when, and why. So if you're thinking about remodeling in 2026, here's what I'd say. Choose what feels timeless to you. Pick materials that are durable and beautiful. Make room for the life you want to live, not just the trends you see online. And most importantly, choose a process that protects your vision, your budget, and your peace of mind. At Veritas, we've helped hundreds of homeowners do exactly that, with clarity, honesty, and design that feels personal. If that feels like what you're looking for, we'd love to talk. A simple 10-minute conversation is all it takes to see if we're the right fit. I'm Sean with Veritas. Let's build something beautiful